Basically, tape up. And it cut me down.
Wow. Why are you telling us this?
Because I think one of you guys would totally get it.
Really?
Yeah, you guys have been here for like forever. You're not waving. Can I help you?
Haha.
Sounds like someone's finally gonna get that 401k started. Oh, 401k. Glad you asked. Basically, it's a retirement plan. So you got that much. So, okay. Because with my pay, I get appropriate for base jumping away. Friendship change.
Yeah, I think the only promotion I'm interested in is promoting you guys to general in my friendship army.
Yes, sir. Well said. There's no way in effect this right here, bros, is why I love coming to work, hanging out with my wife. And cheese, that drinks a lot. You gotta be a real scumbag in that setup.
The thing everyone hates about Hogwarts is the disrespect for women. You know, he treats chicks like second grade citizens, and they're not.
Now, this woman went to Harvard, and she's smart. She's super smart.
How did you get in here?
I got numbers. I punch you in the face for asking something like that. But enough.
Hey,